Hi, welcome to Woodlands Secondary School's e-Open House. I'm Mrs. Day, the principal of the school. Woodlands Secondary is a school that aims to grow our students into gifts to society. In this year's e-Open House, instead of focusing on what we have, we decide to focus more on you. We know that choosing a secondary school can be an onerous process, and it may be difficult to decide if a school is what you want to commit to for the next 4 years. So how do you go about deciding on the school that best suits you? Well, one way is to see if the school is able to grow your gifts. So in this year's e-Open House, we want to help you discover your gifts. Our heads of department have put together a quiz that will help you discover your strengths and interests. Through the options you choose, you would have a sense of the areas that you may have interest in and that you would like to develop them into gifts in your secondary school. While the quiz is not scientifically proven, it is based on the collective experiences of our heads of department and what they observe of our students across the years. When you finish the quiz, a report will be generated for you. I encourage you to click on the links and find out more of the different areas and have a gauge if these are the areas you are interested in and would like to develop them. Our heads of department would also explain why certain questions and options suggest that you have strong interest in the areas to help you better make sense of the report. So do give the quiz a try. After you have tried the quiz, check out on the videos by our vice principals who will help you better make sense of the report and how you could evaluate if a school is suitable for your gifts. We hope all this will help you decide your secondary school choices. So as you embark on your next stage of education, we hope you, just like our students, will have a fulfilling journey ahead. All the best to you.